Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change your password on Twitch. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it. What we're going to do is open up a browser and come across to twitch.tv. So if you are actually looking for how to recover your password if you've forgotten it, I have got a tutorial on that as well, which I will link at the top of the page now. But this is literally, if you know your password, this is just how to go ahead and change it, assuming you already know your password. So what you want to do when you come across to Twitch is make sure you're logged into your account. And then you just want to go and click your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then come down and click onto settings. So from here, what you're going to do is, if you look towards the top of the page, you've got a few options. So you've got things like profile, prime gaming, etc, etc. And what you want to do is come across to the security and privacy option. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just literally scroll down the page until you get to the security section down here. And you'll see you've got a password and a purple change password text link. So all you want to do is go and give that a click. And then what it's going to ask you to do is enter your old password. Like so. And then you just want to put your new password in. And as I say, Twitch are very strict with their passwords. You need to make sure it's very secure for them to allow you to use it. So you see the strength indicator, it needs to be at least fair. If it's shown as weak, it's not going to let you change your password. Like so. And then you just want to come down, and if that's all good, you'll get the change password button down here. So what you want to do is just go in to give that a click. And that's it changed. So there's no verification, additional verification. You can just go in and do it that way. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.